Good morning student, how are you all? Hope you all are good. So student, today we are going to learn practice set 17. Practice set 17, page number 27. Page number 27, question number 5. Question number 5. Okay, so rectangle PTNM is a rectangle. Write the names of the pairs of supplementary angles. Okay, so here we have to write supplementary angles, pairs of supplementary angles. So you can see here rectangle is given P, T, M and N, his name. Okay, P, T and M, his name, its name. Okay, so here we have to write the name of the rectangles. So first we will write here in rectangle all angle. Okay, in rectangle all angles are of 90 degree each. Okay, you can see here all angles are 90 degree. Okay, all angles are 90 degree. Now we will write here pairs of name of rectangles. So first we will write here angle P and क्या हो जाएगा angle T, angle P and angle T. Now we will write here angle T and angle N, angle N and angle M, angle M. Now here angle P and angle N, angle P and angle N, and angle M and angle T, angle M and angle T. Okay, so these are pairs of rectangle. Okay, these are pairs of supplementary angles. Okay, supplementary angles के ये pairs हैं. So now we are going to learn question number 6. So question number 6 is question number 6, and question number 6 is if M angle A equal to 70 degree, if M angle A equal to 70 degree, what is the measure of the supplement of the complement of the angle A? Okay, so question number 6 है. First we will find the complement of angle A. First क्या हम find करेंगे complement of angle A. So we will write here complement of क्या लिखेंगे angle A equal to 90 degree. Complementary angles, sum of two angles is 90 degrees a complementary angle. So we will write here complement of angle A equal to क्या हो जाएगा 90 degree. Okay, so now here we will write angle A equal to क्या हो जाएगा 90 minus angle A हमको क्या दिया हुआ है यहाँ पर 70 degree. So we will write here angle A equal to 90 minus 70. Okay, so here we get complementary angle. हमको क्या मिल जाएगा, complementary angle हमको मिलेगा angle A क्या हो जाएगा 90 minus 70 20. Okay, 20 degree. Now we get now we will find supplement of angle, supplement of complement complement of एंगल ए. सप्लीमेंट एंगल्स क्या होते हैं? सम ऑफ टू एंगल्स sum of two angles is 180 degree. It is called supplement angle. So we will write here angle A equal to 180 and minus क्या complement angle हमारा क्या find हुआ है? So we will write here 20. Okay. So 180 minus 20 क्या हो जाएगा? 160. So we will write here 160. Now our answer is supplement of the supplement of angle equal to 160 degree. Okay. So हमसे यही पूछा था what is the measure of the supplement of the complement of angle A. Okay. Now question number 7 is if angle A and angle B are supplementary angles and M angle B equal to x plus 20 degree, then what would be measure of angle A? Okay. Question 7. Now you can write these questions on your notebook. Now we are going to write, I'm going to write here question number 7. Okay. Question number 7 है angle A and angle B are supplementary angles. Okay. Supplementary angles and measure of angle B equal to x plus 20. Look at your book. Okay. Look at your book. On question number 7 we will do question number 7. So here is given supplementary angles. So we will write first M angle A, measure of angle A. We will write here measure of angle A plus क्या measure of angle B equal to 180 degree. Okay. Why? Because supplementary angles दिया हुआ है ना, supplementary angles sum of two angles equal to 180 is 180 degree is supplementary angle. So we will write here 180 degree. Now and M measure of angle A plus measure of angle B हमें पता है, हमें given है. Okay, it is given measure of angle B. So x we will write here x plus 20. Okay. Now measure of angle A plus क्या हो जाएगा x plus 20 equal to 180. Measure of angle A plus x and 20 को हम 180 के पास लेकर जाएंगे, so minus 20. So measure of angle A plus x equal to 180 minus 20, 160. Okay, 160. Now measure of angle A and 160 minus x को हम 160 के पास लेकर जाएंगे. ओके, सो वी गेट मेजर ऑफ एंगल ए. क्या आया हमारा 160 माइनस एक्स. सो दिस इज अवर आंसर. ओके, so practice set 17 is finished. Now in our next video we will learn practice set 18. Okay, thank you.